Take a moment to read the question. So C is the set of all complex numbers. The sets P and Q are given to us and we have to find out which among the given options is correct. How do we do this question? Let us consider the complex number z to be x plus iy. So mod z would be equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. Now for the set P, we have this condition, which means x squared plus y squared should be equal to 1, and this just represents a unit circle on the complex plane. So that's what we get for the set P. Now consider the set Q. For this set, we have the condition z squared is equal to 1. Therefore, we get this. On expanding the left hand side, we find that we have an equation like this. So equating the real parts and the imaginary parts of the two sides, we get this equation, and also another equation which says xy is equal to 0. Now it's clear that both x and y cannot be 0 at the same time. So consider the case that y is equal to 0 and x is not equal to 0. So from the first equation we get this, which means x is equal to plus minus 1, which means the 2 points that we get are 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. Now consider the case that x is equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. Now this gives us minus y squared equals 1. Now that is clearly not possible. So if we plot the points, we find that we get a blue circle, which is a unit circle, and that represents the set P. We also have the two dots which represent the points 1, 0 and minus 1, 0 on that unit circle, and that represents the set Q. It is very clear that the set Q is a proper subset of the set P. So the correct answer is option D.